Hi, my name is Del Warren, Vice President of the Kegel Training Center. And we're going to have a tip today that I think will really help everyone out. It's a very basic tip, but it's something that I see that 95% of the people that come here to take a lesson can improve upon and improve their game right now. It's in the setup, all right? Now, as we got this set up, you notice we have one of our lasers that are going up the 10 board, and it's attached to our torch, which is an alignment tool, down the 10 board. And I can't express how important it is enough to, one, when you get set up on the line of play, which is the target line of the shot. The next thing is we really want to make sure that our hips are perpendicular to that line, all right? And then as we set up, we want to try to make sure that the bowling ball is in the center of our shoulder. Many times we see the hips open and the ball in the middle of our body, as opposed to getting our hips perpendicular to this line and then getting our arm so that the line of play goes through our forearm and through the middle of our fingers, okay? And when we set up, we want to have a little bit of flex in our knees. We want our ball side shoulder to be relaxed, and we want a little bit of angle so our ball side shoulder is down. And we want a little bit of bend, meaning we want our hips about 2 inches to the left and our head about 2 inches to the right. Now this is going to put us in a nice athletic position and a position to create a little bit of angle. And as we know, that in most cases we're going to go left to right a little bit because of reactive balls and dry back ends and so on. So when we're in this position and we're on top of the line of play, this gives us the best opportunity to be consistent. And as much as people hook the ball today, as much as the game is based around power, most people can really improve their game by 10 or 20 pins pretty fast with a setup that is on the line of play as I just described. All right? And if you do this, based on what we see here every day at the Kegel Training Center, you're going to improve really fast.